Welcome to Raj Computer Services. Today we have a complaint from the customer, and the customer has stated us that the laptop is very slow. So today we would be upgrading the hard disk. We would be installing an SSD in it and install Windows also in it. So there is only one screw which I just opened it, and we would remove the hard disk, and instead that we would be using EVM 128GB SATA SSD instead of hard disk. So I'll connect the hard disk. I'll disconnect the hard disk. I'll connect the SSD. It has just a plastic type of case which goes into it. We just need to lock the screw back, and that's it. We have installed a new SSD. We would be installing Windows 10 in it, so we just need to connect the pen drive in it and just let it boot from the USB. You would be selecting the language and the format in India. Time and currency format, we would be selecting India. Install now. Just click on accept the terms, custom install, and just next, because only we have SSD in it right now. Till then we'll just wait till it gets installed. That's it. It would take time. It would getting ready, and it takes little bit time. I'll just fast forward this video so that you can see what is the next step to be done. That's it, done. Okay. We'll select India, English India, skip. I don't have internet because I don't want to have an account set up for the customer. I'll just name the username. Also, I won't be keeping any password. Do not forget to turn off this because they are just taking our data, so I don't want my customers' data to go with Windows. It would hardly take 1 or 2 minutes, then the system would be ready for use. If you have any doubts related to repairing of laptops, computers, CCTV cameras and all, you can always drop me a message or call me on the given number. I have given my number in the description. Do not forget to subscribe, like and share my channel. I would be posting videos related to repairing and all. So don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share. Now we just need to update the driver and the system would be ready for use.